Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a whole house clean with me. It's been about a month since I've done one of these, so I thought I would start off the new month with a whole house cleaning to give you guys tons of motivation. I also want to let you guys know that this video is in collab with my friend Brittany here on YouTube. Her channel name is Mama's Time Out. She also will be doing a whole house clean with me as well. So if you're looking for double the motivation, definitely head over to her channel as soon as you're done watching my video and show her some love. If you're coming over from Brittany's channel, hello, I'm so happy to have you join me over here. My name is Amber. I do tons of cleaning motivation, planning videos, mommy lifestyle, day in the lives. I just do a whole bunch of different things. So I would love it if you would join my family over here and subscribe before heading out. I'm starting off in my living room. It wasn't really too bad. The main focus is definitely behind this TV. I know you guys can relate having little kids. The amount of junk I find back here is unreal. So I tried to stay on top of sweeping back here and getting that cleaned up. And then it was super dusty. Like, it's gross with the amount of dust that was behind this TV. So I dusted it all out, swept everything from behind there, and then all I needed to really do in here was just vacuum and mop the floors.
It's silent now, we don't say a word, we're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said, yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think.
Now the main thing I really needed to do in here was just clean up from lunch. I just got done feeding the kids, and then go ahead and get the table wiped down, sweep and mop, and then I have a load of laundry. You guys know laundry is never ending in my house, so I just have to get that folded, and then that's pretty much all I really needed to do in the dining room.
Played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
as you guys know, Samir just turned 1. We're starting to slowly introduce the sippy cup. That's so much fun. It's really not going according to plan, but when does it ever with kids, right? I've been literally washing bottles for 2 years. I was thinking about that the other day. I hate dishes. We don't have a dishwasher, so it is what it is. But the bottles, I'm over bottles, you guys. I will be so glad when I'm done with the bottles, but then I have a ton of sippy cups, so am I really escaping? Not really, but in my head, I'm gonna pretend I am.
The beautiful smile is all I need, but I'm not gonna stay. That's my flavor. I'll put you away safe.
I wanted to show you guys how I got my refrigerator organized. If you watched my kitchen deep clean, you see I cleaned the refrigerator out. So one of my subscribers suggested I get some of these egg trays. I actually found these at Marshall's for $3.99 each. And then I got these little baskets from Walmart. These were a 2-pack for $1, and then these ones were $1 a piece. I already had this, so I just keep all of the kids' juice boxes in there. And then in this one, I just have my Greek yogurts and some fruit cups. And then I have all of the kids' yogurts. They fit in here perfect, the whole box. And then some other yogurts for them. And then I just kept their little oranges in there. I had some extra eggs. My mom gives us farmhouse eggs, so we have like unlimited supply. I kind of double stacked that so the lid didn't close. And then of course we have tons of water. But I just wanted to show you guys, and especially her, shout out to you for suggesting those egg trays. I'm in love with it, and I think it just looks so much better organized. Like I said at the beginning, this was an all-day thing, so at this point in the day, it's time for dinner. So I'm just gonna make some quick oven-baked barbecue chicken. I'm just gonna add my seasonings on there, and then add a little olive oil, and add in all my barbecue sauce on top. Cover it with tin foil, pop it in the oven at 400 for an hour, and then there you go. So while dinner was cooking, I was tackling the rest of the house.
Got to start if it never opened up my heart. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me.
I am currently obsessed with this Mrs. Meyer's lilac scent all-purpose cleaner. It smells so good. I'm a lilacs girl, so I was really impressed that this actually smells like lilac flowers. But let me know in the comments what's your current favorite scent for the spring, or just your favorite scent when you clean.
It's like you are avoiding me. Don't know what's up with that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if you never opened up my door. Yeah, 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 yeah. If you never ever got to start, if you never opened up my heart. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven of you and only one is for real. You spin me around
I'm just picking up all the toys. In my last whole house video, I was asking you guys some tips on ways to decorate this room. I don't know if I mentioned in that video, but we don't own this house, so I know a lot of people were suggesting painting. We talked to the landlord. She kind of really didn't seem like she was 100% for it, so we just decided it is what it is. We'll make do. As you can see, I got her a new bed set. She's in love with it. If you follow me on Instagram, I shared a picture of her on Instagram there in my stories, and she loves it. And I'm slowly just coming up with ways. I decided to go with the pink and the teals and the whites. So the next thing is just maybe to get her a nice big rug. I've been looking at some organizer shelves to put in here. I'm thinking whites. And then we're going to eventually get these toys all moved out and split them up. But for now, it is what it is. There's no rush. They're kids. They love being together. I'm not going to force anything that doesn't need to be forced, if you get what I'm saying.
Like a superstar. What's the story about you? What's the story behind that sad tattoo you're trying to hide? I think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Some of you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make me leave. Some of you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Some of you and only one is for real. Let me be. The other night, saw you glance your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you tons of motivation to get up and tackle your messes just for our kids to destroy it again. Mom life at its finest. Let me know in the comments, how long does it take before your children destroy your house after you put in all this time, whether it's the whole day, an hour, 2 days, because sometimes, let's be honest, we don't get it all done in one day. Let me know if your kids destroy it right away, or if you are able to manage your house to maintain it and keep it clean. Also, don't forget to head over to Brittany's channel, give her a big hello if you want some more cleaning motivation. She's definitely going to give it to you as well. Let her know I said hello and that I sent you guys over there. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys as always for your love and support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.